Hello students, in the previous video we have learned this poem Under the Greenwood Tree. Now today we are going to discuss questions and answers of this poem. Now language workshop. Question number 1. From the poem, find the old word used for each of the following. First word is given, towards. Now which word is used instead of towards in the poem? Unto, U-N-T-O. Here, for here which word is used? Hither, H-I-T-H-E-R. Does, for the does, doth word is used, D-O-T-H. Okay. Now question number 2. Write in your own words. A. Who does the poet invite to join him? The poet invites the people who share his feelings to join him and who loves nature. Second question. How should that person sing? That person should sing merrily, means happily. C. What message does the poem convey? Now this poem, Under the Greenwood Tree, this poem conveys the message that if one deliberately avoids ambition and lives a simple life in the lap of nature, then one will be very happy and have no real enemies. Also the only enemies will be winter and rough weather. Now question number 3. Pick out the lines that mean. Now here some lines are given, 5 lines are given, and we are going to pick out the lines from the poem. Okay, now A. Sing in such a manner. Now which lines are coming in the poem? And turn his merry note unto the sweet bird's throat. Okay. Now B. One who wishes to join me. Answer is who loves to lie with me. C. Who gives up his desire for wealth, power, fame, etc. For this line, who doth ambition shun. D. Life in the forest is free from ill wishers. Answer is here shall he see no enemy. Last line, happy to eat whatever he can get. Answer is seeking the food he eats and pleased with what he gets. Now question number 4. Find from the internet and write down. Now A. In which century did William Shakespeare write his famous plays? Poet of this poem is William Shakespeare, and question is asked, in which century did the William Shakespeare write his famous plays? So answer, William Shakespeare wrote his famous plays in the late 16th and early 17th century. B. From which play is this song extracted? This song is extracted from one of the Shakespeare's famous play. Which play? As You Like It. C. Which character from the play sing this song? This song is sung by Amins, who is a courtier in the play As You Like It. Now next, 5th last question. Be a poet and try to complete the following poem with words that rhyme with each other. Now we are going to complete this given poem. I had loved to live a life that's free, relax under the shady tree and fall into a dreamy sleep with no strict hours forced to keep, and sing aloud a merry song, untrodden path as I walk along. You ask me what I had get to eat. Fruits and nuts and berries sweet. You ask me with whom I had get to play. Birds and animals happy and gay. And if a woodcutter put a chop, firmly I would put a stop. So that's the life I had liked to lead. Free from worries, free from greed. Okay students, so that's all for today. We will soon meet in the next video.